I have purple hair now. Follow me along as I do my basic foundation routine. First, we're using the Rare Beauty Primer by Selena Gomez. This is the Pore Diffusing Primer. Why does my face always get red every time I apply things to my face with my hands? Next, we're going to use this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. May as well prime the whole face. Next, for foundation, we are using the NYX Total Control Pro Drop Foundation. This foundation is amazing because it is so lightweight and buildable, so depending on how thin or thick you want your coverage to be, you can add as much or as little as you want. And even if you add a thick layer, your skin can still breathe. It doesn't feel like anything is heavy on my face. Next is our under eye concealer. I am using Hard Candy's Glamouflage Pro Full Concealer. Much paler than the actual foundation, so it's going to be perfect for brightening the under eye area. Always use the ring finger because it's the weakest finger on your hand, because you don't want to tug and pull on this delicate eye area, which is why you pat it. You don't want to rub it. You pat it very gently and look up to the heavens as you do it so the concealer does not sink into any of your creases. And we don't want creasing concealer. Check out the difference. Look how much awake I look now. Very nice. Usually around this time I would use a spot concealer for any other spots I want to hide, but I don't feel like I really need to. My skin is looking pretty good right now, so I don't need to use that step, which is good. Next, I'm going to powder my face with this NYX HD Studio Finishing Powder and this adorable little triangle sponge. I think I'm gonna pat on my eyes as well, set the primer. This is the rest of my face makeup after I applied my foundation, so stay tuned for my next video where I review all these other products I just tried from SheGlam.